Welcome to AUSTAR's Shijiazhuang manufacturing base, the intelligent production center of cleanroom panels, and the very first step in ensuring cleanroom project quality. From the moment raw materials enter the factory, every process is strictly controlled. Our panels are shaped with automated cold roll forming equipment, ensuring precise dimensions, smooth surfaces, and strong structural stability. During the gluing process, we use two-component, high-strength, solvent-free adhesive. With accurate manual application, the bonding is firm and uniform, securing both structural strength and airtight performance. This is a key step for the panel's structural strength and airtight performance and cleanroom reliability. The panel core is filled with high-density rock wool, delivering excellent fire resistance, insulation, and sound absorption. These panels are widely used in pharmaceutical plants, medical device facilities, and laboratories where cleanliness, safety, and comfort are critical. For special project needs, we also provide customized services such as perforation, slotting, and embedded inserts to support electrical installation, piping, and other cleanroom-specific requirements. With over 30 years of engineering expertise in life sciences, AUSTAR understands that materials are not just a cost item, but a decisive factor for process reliability, project timelines, and customer experience. AUSTAR Cleanroom Panels, delivering safer, more efficient, and more controllable cleanroom solutions for life science clients worldwide.